Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Bronze Lock Picker 60, and today's lock is a Ruko r501 that I'm going to pick, gut, and reassemble it. And this is the bitting. Come on, maybe focus. That's the bitting. It's a 5-pinner. I believe it has four spools and one standard driver. So without further ado, and let's see if I can pick it, but I'm going to show you how messed up this keyway is. It's all water. I mean, normally it's nice and tight, and look at that. So this puppy's been around, not around the block, it's been around the world pretty good. So without further ado, let's see if I can get into this. Being the keyway is so messed up, I'm gonna go counterclockwise. Let's see, get a little bit closer. Okay. Go to the rear. Feel like 5, I mean. Coming forward. I felt a little movement, not much. Okay, that was 5. Give me there's 4. And he gave me a nice little movement, not much. Okay, another one. Yeah, so the warding inside, it's so, and there we go, so screwed up that the feedback is really horrible. All right, make sure I keep this in frame. I'm going to set it right here so you can see it. Get this out of the way. And get a little bit closer. All right. Let me get my little spreader. Oh, it's tough. Either looking through the viewfinder or over the camera. Come on, baby. Yeah, so this lock is, there we go. It's really seen better days, man. Get this out of the way. Put you there. Put that down a little bit. I was on I was on Instagram and I was talking about this lock, and someone corrected me. I was referring to it as a Scandinavian lock, and someone must have got offended and said it's the guy was pretty cool about it. He just said that it's not Scandinavian, it's made in Denmark. So, but yeah, so all the pins had to be picked. Come on, baby, focus. Yeah. And I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to be made, which I doubt it, but it looks like they're oblong, like the chambers are oblong. So, all right. Come on, baby. 1, 2, 3, 1.5. They're all standard. Nothing special about that. Nothing done to the, obviously nothing done to the core. Okay. And one. Kind of T-finish spool kind of thing. Brings it long too. Same thing. Yeah, this lock. It's like me, seen better days, man. I keep wanting to grab that. Okay. Oh, baby. There we go. All right. Whoa, man, that shot out at me. Maybe they're all shaped like this. Ah, dagnabbit. Yeah, they all like that. Not spoolish. Not spoolish, but more like a T-pen. Or a deep serration. Or a wide serration, I should say. Come on, get in there. Alright, this is what we have. Come on, baby. So, 5 key pins are all standard, and the top drivers, they're all standard to this lock. I believe all r501 Rukos are like this, and it's all steel spring. So now that I've taken it apart, I need to put it back together. And we go like that. Come on, baby. I hope everyone is well. I thought summer was over. Well, apparently not. Not around here, anyway. Not up on the, not here on the East Coast. Oops. There we go. It's supposed to be like hot again and more up in the mid 80s and humid. I can take the heat, but not the humidity. Not the humanity. Okay. Come on. Okay. Last but not least of this. Okay. That boy in here. And hopefully this counts for my blue belt and lock picking for the group that I'm in. Oops, yeah, I had it right. Yeah. before I put that clip in the back. Ooh, come on. All right, there we go. And she works nicely. Yeah, because I have to get a. Where did they go? Where did they go? I'll use this cheesy one. Come on. Yeah, I should have grabbed the other one. Much nicer. These are Walmart specials. Oh, there we go. And again, nice. There you go. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this adventure. Be safe, be legal. As always, stay calm and pick on. Thanks. Bye-bye.